What's up guys, in today's video we're gonna install 31mm LED multicolor. Let's see how this one looks. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay guys, here I want to show you the difference those are the LEDs and this is the stock bulb. So I don't like the yellow, I want it white, but this one has, the one I'm gonna put, it has a multicolor. So let's see the way it looks and how bright it is. Okay guys, as you can see, the bulb it doesn't fit, so I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna put some wire, like a wire inside, some tape, and let's see if that works. Let's see it. Okay guys, that's how it looks. I use the wire. So one thing, make sure that they don't touch each other, the wires, so you don't want to make a shortcut. And also remove the fuse for this, for the dome light, or disconnect the negative connection from the battery, or do not open the door because the door will open you don't want to make a shortcut. Okay, so let's see how it works. Okay, that's with the cover. Let's try red, blue, green, flash, strobe. This one is change color, but it's too slow. And then fade. It will fade and change the color, I think, but it takes too long. Then you can put like green, purple, yellow, orange. That's cool. Then like that. But I think I'm gonna leave it white. Okay, this one is great. Okay guys, this is the new LED. This is a 31mm LED multi-light. Okay, it looks super cool. It's not very bright, to tell you the truth. It's not that bright, but it looks awesome because it has the remote, remote control, and you can change it to any light. You can put it red, blue, white, yellow, purple. You saw it on the video. Okay, it's very cheap. I'm gonna put the link on the description. If you are okay to modifying, putting those two wires on the light, you can get it. If not, try to get something that it fits, but I think that's the only one that has that option. It's very big, it's the only option they have, but I'm gonna look for another one that it fits. If not, this is the only one, and if you wanna put it on, you have to modify the light, you have to put wires. Okay, let me know what you guys think about this modification. This is super cheap and cool because you can change the colors. Okay, so put in the comments what you think, And if you like the video, please like the video. If you're new, subscribe. Remember, one of my subscribers is gonna win the body kit. Okay, see you on the next video.